All right, almost have this thing finished. Putting in the back seats. First cab had a different configuration for seats, so I had to go take extra clips for the back seat out of the other truck. The cab had pre-drilled welded holes in the center, which is good. I was gonna have to do that. I've had the back seat belts in and out twice. I'm not highly experienced with these newfangled vehicles, even though it's 10, 16 years old. It's not really a new vehicle. Wow, what a huge freaking pain. But I'm almost done. I have the front seats, front fenders and headlights. The dash is in. And as John said, pull your airbag plug-ins first, and hook up your batteries. So I'm really hoping that when I flash this up, everything works. It should. But there's been virtually everything in this cab apart. So stuff happens. And again, when it's not your favorite job, that's when stuff goes sideways. But we'll get it. Different rug, had to cut a hole for the transmission. So I gotta get the other mirror out of the other vehicle because it's fancy. Has all kind of gizmotrons on it. And I have a mixture of seat belts from the previous truck and this truck. So, seat belts are in. These are all tight. Now I gotta put that seat in. And then mount the front seat belts and the pillars. Then I can put this pillar trim in. Would I do it again? Yeah, I would. But as always, I wouldn't leave myself on a schedule where I have to drive 1,100 kilometers the day after this thing's together. So, sure hope everything works. We shall see. If John hadn't showed up to help me, wouldn't have got her done. Well, it ain't done yet, but I'm pretty close. Kim from the co-op. Hot chocolate chip cookies. Whoa. So I'm hiding them in the truck so the mic doesn't find out. Nothing. I forgot what incredibly sensitive hearing he has. Remarkable, actually. Is that? Hang on. Oh, get her over a bit more. Okay, hang on. Can you take this end over? Okay. She's on her enough. Okay. I figure seeing I'm so much younger, it's easier for me.
Yeah, you're so much younger and sprier.
Oh yeah.
In way better shape.
Well, I have more shape.
Round is a shape. Yes.
What the hell?
Okay. So did Lou bring some new batteries?
I don't need new batteries.
Yeah.
There.
Right there, it's in place.
Seat belt should hold the seat in, so that's it. Holy.
Are these the new seats? Yes.
That one is.
Oh yeah, nice. Ooh. Honey,
It's ready to go.
what are you licking?
I gotta bolt it down. I'm gonna start it before I put the cover on underneath the steering wheel. And I'm gonna do front fenders.
What?
The bay's all back here.
Where is he?
It's Dave. What are you doing here? You're not trying to get him to buy a car,
I
are you?
hear he bought it.
He's got too many cars.
Where is he?
He'll be right with you there.
Alright. You want another Mopar?
Oh boy, I gotta come and look at that.
We'll get a little lift high enough.
Well, Greg actually reached down and grabbed the bottom of the door.
Okay, if you just wanna wait a second.
Whoop, sorry. Okay, are you gonna be good there?
Yeah,
Okay.
except for we're gonna have a.
Okay, can you get it closer to close? I'm in the top guide pin.
We have a wire.
We're in.
Okay.
You can close it.
Is that wire in there?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Close it. Perfect.
It's closed.
That is wonderful. Damage-free installation.
Bird poop.
Yeah. It's shooting pretty good for now. A little bit of cleanup, but it's a freaking truck. Still gotta do headlights. Okay, we're getting down to the nitty gritty. We have headlights put in, one fender. I just set the batteries in. I didn't hear any airbags go off, hooked them up. But I want to get a headlight in. And I'm gonna have to try to start it, but I'm avoiding that for now. There's no reason I should have any issues. Whoop, wrong headlight. Yeah, now I'm gonna find the actual right headlight for the right side. Here we go. The headlights have been replaced fairly recently, so they're good. And there's that one nasty tough bolt down here. I know they were a bit tough getting them out. Oh, okay, these are different fenders. Goes in way easier. Okay, well that's a bonus. Yeah, these little clips, these are actually reusable. A lot of clips are one-ways, as we call them. They come out one way, and that's it. They're junk. You got to replace them. So, a couple of screws left to install in this. My 10mm. Extra bolts. And organized as always. Here we go. There's my 10mm. Yeah, I mean, everything's plugged in. You can do it. You always got to go over it and check it. I'm hoping, I guess I should do that pretty quick. I just hooked up the batteries. I'm just gonna hook up both. Whoop, I got the right bolt in here. Yeah, I do. No, maybe I don't. Oh, that one's too short. I'm gonna give it a shot. I think if we look in here, I just discovered it. There's this plug coming off of the clutch. Here we go. This. And I think it's got to hook up to this. So I got to move the camera out, but I'm sure hoping, I mean, it sure looks like it. It makes sense. So I'm going to try that. I'll shut this off until I try again. And I won't try it first. You'll be the first to know. Okay. Best out of 3. Let's see.
I'll give you a second.
No. Okay.
Just hooked up.
Hook that wire,
I guess.
give it a try. Give that a try. Still clicking.
Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna just check a few things here. Wait a minute. What? No way! I have a plug here. It's not really plugged in. Apparently, that could affect my success or failure. Oh, there we go. Well, that might do it. Then I have this carefully labeled plug. I don't know where it goes either, but right now I want to try this again. Best out of 5. Yes. Yes. That is freaking awesome. Yeah. Holy. I was going to go see the amazing Carl up the hill. Yeah. Happy Dan. Right on. Oh. I'm so happy. Apparently I was a wee tad stressed out. That's freaking awesome. I might even have wipers. All right. I went out and blasted it. Look at that. Brake clean metal. Now I'll properly prime that. And then we'll put her on the truck. Just got local, our wonderful delivery person Sam. She brought up the new air cleaner, cold air intake. So we got to install that. Then I'll flash it up. I'm sure it's going to run now, but that was the last piece I was waiting for. And well, first, let's see this new K&N. Oh, look at that. Oh, our next victim. Comes with a hose clamp, super nice. Oh, perfect. Okay. Remember to pull out all your tools. Now we tighten this baby up. And then we'll flash it up. Which I'm supremely confident now. But weirder things have happened. So, we still have little things like sun visors. I won't bother showing a bunch of that. But I'm kind of leaning towards the fact this is a job most guys with basic knowledge could do. If they were better at labeling all the plugs, and you took a lot of photos before you started out, and we took some, but take a lot of photos. It's a bit by bit job. Don't put yourself on a schedule like I did once again, because I have to drive 1,100 kilometers with this, I think tomorrow. But just take your time, enjoy it, and knock yourself out. You can have a rush-free cab pretty cheap. Because you know what those body shops charge. With good reason. Now what the hell? Okay. This is not supposed to be what do you call those reels? Bloopers? Like, why the hell am I having trouble getting the clamp on? Okay, let's take it right off. Start over. Oh, word. All right. Is everything best out of 3? Okay, it's on. And these are nice. With this is the Jet Professional, but I have problems with a lot of ratchets, whereas I'm using them, they swap directions that they're going. That doesn't happen with these. That's kind of nice. I'm happy with them. If you get a chance, try one out. I think you'll dig it. There. Okay. Gonna go start it up. So let me look around and see what might still be unplugged. Fuel. Check the pump. Check relay. Well, that could be a fuel relay. I'm gonna check that. It could be a relay. I don't know what it is. Well, it turns over. Let me check. I'm gonna look things over for a bit. Well, no, I don't have it running. But I gotta finish putting it together. So at least I can tow it out of here. So I'm gonna put the grill on. I will diagnose it. I'm pretty sure it's wired to the fuel pump. I think it can't be that difficult. So I'm not even gonna worry about it. That's the hood light I gotta clip on. Well, that's all right. I'll do the happy dance when I hear it run.